Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, ndinombuzo. For you guys that are dating people that are your age, when last your person took you out to a picnic? Because on tonight's episode of Uthando Nesithembu, we see uMusa taking out his thanda sakhe ubaby wakhe uSamke on a picnic date. Ngathi hey, yazi amadoda, sometimes they will act as if they don't know these things. I will not tell about it. When did they last see a picnic? Anyway, asikho lapho uMusa is taking out uSamke on a picnic, and he says the reason why keep with picnic is because he wants to show her how valued she is. Ukuthi like he wants to appreciate ukuthi unyamezele girl, despite bengafuni egcekeni lakwamseleku, you are still here. But anyway, we see uSamke giving uNokuzana uMusa a gift, and she's like, you can open it. And then all we see is uMusa saying, "Ow, my daughter," and he's so excited, you guys. Now, question is that a pregnancy test, you guys? Because many people are speculating that the gift that she gives him is actually a pregnancy test. Well, we'll wait up until tonight and see what's what, you guys. But in his diary session, he does say ukuthi uMakhwela uyamkhuthaza ingathi mncane, or like uMakhwela inspires him and he feels so young. So maybe guys, with what attracted him to uSamke is that she makes him feel like a young person. Able guys, abantu amakhehle la ngaphandle akafuni ukugukha. But anyway, uMafikizolo did say gugothandayo, guys. Anyway, let's wait up until tonight and see what's what, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.